Hi all. Today we are going to spin up a EC2 instance with Ubuntu and install a GUI component, then connect to that remote server using VNC. So first of all, we are going to spin up a EC2 instance. I'll go to the instance and launch instance. Let's say my remote server 1, and then I will select Ubuntu instance and instance type. Say we want 16 GB memory machine with 4 CPU cores. I'm going to select T3 large. I'm creating the key pair and download it here. I'll restrict SSH access to my IP only, so we can keep this as it is. If you want, you can add some hard disk space. So we are going to launch the instance. So probably instance is now launched. First we need to SSH to the server because there is no GUI interface there. Now I'm going to move my SSH key into my SSH folder. So move download into SSH. Then I will change the permission level. So my remote server, everything is ready there, and then I want to find the server name. The username is here, I can get it from here, and I'm just going to change it using my text editor. Okay, my path need to be edited, so is it in the .ssh folder. Everything seems to be good. Now I'm going to paste it and try to log into the remote server. Yes. And now you are in the remote server. So first of all, we need to sudo apt update. Yeah. So after sudo apt update, I clean my screen, and now I'm here. We are going to install GUI component. We use Xfce, which is a lightweight version. Let me install it. Okay, yes. I will go with GDM3. This might need a bit of time, so let's stop and connect again once this finish. Okay, it's done. Now let's install VNC server in our Ubuntu machine, and yes. Okay, let's start the VNC server. I gave some password, and that's it. Then I need to do some setup in the VNC. Let me open VNC here, and I'll delete whatever here. Okay, we need only this thing. Yes, so this will start up the GUI on startup, and let's kill the previously started process VNC server and start it again. Yes. So now our GUI is running in the remote machine, and we'll enable the port. So it is 5901. Let me go to the security group, and I'm opening the security group and create custom TCP with port 590, and I'll give my IP. Yep. Go to RealVNC. You can download the RealVNC viewer, right? And in my case it's Mac, and you can proceed from there. And I'm going to server and get the public DNS of this one and configure my VNC here. Let me create a new connection. Then I'll add the port as well, 5901. So I'll give a name, my remote server 1, and just click OK. So let's see whether it will work. Yes, it seems it's working, and we need the previously entered password for this one. Yep. So now we are in this remote server. Let me open this up and type htop. Okay, we have a machine with 16 GB now. So I don't say it's convenient like your local machine, yet you would be able to do some stuff here. So if you have any questions, just comment them in the comment section, and thank you.